This mega cap tech stock is down 52% of the highs and down 40% since I last screened it. Here's the price I'm paying for Amazon stock. Hello fellow investors, the last time I screened this, it was at $2,936.35 or $146.82 after 20:1 stock split. I didn't like how expensive it was that I ignored and didn't screen it for the following quarters. I told you it was so overvalued, don't buy, don't add to your long-term portfolio just yet. I just hate that the retail side of the business is not always profitable. AWS is doing great, but you don't buy Amazon just for AWS. If you buy the stock, you're buying the whole of Amazon, including the sometimes unprofitable retail business. And AWS is not a $1 trillion segment. Now that it's down a lot and making new lows, it's got a lot of investors' attention. But is the stock finally cheap to buy? Let's see. Here's Amazon stock valuation summary. As you can see with their multiples, it's still expensive for my liking. This stock is a single-digit margin stock and you should pay cheap for it. But I've come to terms that you really can't buy the stock on the earnings and cash flow basis. You don't buy Amazon for the PE, price of free cash flow, and their growth or earnings potential. The way to value this stock is to treat this like Walmart, Target, and Costco, like the other retail stock, and I value them through their equities. My fair value for retail stock is 3 PB, but if you've been following me, you know I have an allowable 5 PB. 3 PB because that's with 30% margin of safety from 5 PB. Let's look more into this stock. This is Amazon's charts with their fundamentals. Look at the revenue trend 12 months. It's growing, but the free cash flow is not there. They're not making money off of those revenues, hence the stock performance. You can see the highs and lows of PE, price of free cash flow in PBs. It traded from quarter to quarter. This is already adjusted with the diluted shares quarter over quarter. The black line you see here is my fair value, the PB of 3. And the purple line here is my allowable PB of 5. This is the price range I want Amazon stock to be trading at. My fair value for the quarter is around $40. I don't think we'll reach that low this quarter, so I'm gonna have to wait for the fundamentals to catch up with the price. My first deep buy will be at $67. That's the 5 PB. I'd only trade it there and sell before their next earnings. That's my take on Amazon stock. If you like to get access to information like this with a lot of different stocks, you can go check my Patreon. See you next video.